In this video, I'll show you how to add new fonts to Google Docs, and it's easier than you might think. Head over to Google Fonts, a free library with hundreds of font families. Browse until something catches your eye, click on it to preview its styles and weights, then hit Get Font to download it to your computer. Once the file lands in your Downloads folder, open it with a double click. An installation window will pop up. Just click Install. The font is now part of your system. Now back to Google Docs, open your document and click the font menu in the toolbar. Instead of scrolling through the default list, click More Fonts at the top. A search bar will appear. Type in the name of the font you just installed, and it should show up. Click it, hit OK, and it's now in your font drop-down ready to use. A few things worth keeping in mind. Some fonts are print-only and won't appear in Google Fonts, so double-check availability beforehand. Always review licensing terms, especially for commercial work, and think about how your font choice fits the document. The right typeface can genuinely change how your message lands. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.